Hello, dear students. Today's topic is IP security protocol. This is a part of Unit 4. Okay, IP security protocol. What is IP security protocol? Differentiate application specify security mechanism are developed such as electronic mail. Mail, that is PAGSMIME, client server, that is security for Kerberos, web access, that is secure socket layer. Okay, and IP level security can be ensure networking not only for applications with security mechanism but also for many security ignorant applications. IP security uses for the purpose of IP security protocol is to secure the system with their own protocols, right? And IP level security can be ensure secure networking not only for applications with security mechanism but also for many security ignorant applications. IP security is capability that can be added to present version of IPv4 and IPv6 by means of additional headers for secure communication across LAN, WAN and internet. Okay, IP security is a set of protocol and mechanism that provides confidentiality, authentication, message integrity and reply detection at IP layer. The device firewall or gateway or any other router on which the IP security mechanism resides is called as security gateway. Okay, the next point is IP security modes of operations. There are two modes of operation. One is transport mode and second is tunnel mode. Okay, third point is protocol. IP security uses two protocol, that is authentication header protocol and encapsulation security payload protocol. Now, applications of IP security. Next point is application of, we are going to see the applications of IP security protocol. And the first point is security connectivity, secure connectivity over the internet. A virtual private network, that is VPN, can be established over the internet, right? This reduces cost of private network and network assignment overheads. This reduces the cost of private network. Okay, that's why this is secure connectivity over the network. Secure remote access over the internet with IP security. Secure access to a company network is possible. Third is extranet and internet connectivity with IPsec. Secure communication with other organization ensure authentication and confidentiality and provide a key exchange mechanism. The fourth point is enhance electronic commerce security. Use of IP security enhance the security in electronic commerce application that are used for online purpose. Our next point is IP security scenario. Many organizations have LAN at multiple places. The IP security protocol is used for which operate in networking devices, that is router or firewall. The IP security networking encrypt and compress the outgoing traffic while it decrypt and decompress all the incoming traffic. These processes are transparent to workstations and servers on LAN. Okay, next is benefit of IP security. There are five to six points, and we are going to see benefit of IP security. IP security provides strong security within and across the LANs. It provides a strong security within and across the LAN. IP security in firewall avoids bypass in all traffic from the outside must use IP. No need to change software for implementing IP security that it has its own protocol. So no need to change any software for implementing IP security. IP security is a below transport layer and hence transparent to applications. IP security is a transparent to end users also. If required, IP security can provide security to individual users. Okay. Now this is IP security protocol, which is basically used for security purpose in intranet or extranet. Okay. So now we had studied applications of IP security, scenario, and the benefit of IP security. Okay. Thank you.